Push-ups, the most basic exercise on earth and the most misunderstood. Most guys do push-ups like a warm-up, then wonder why their chest never grows, their arms stay the same, and their core still feels soft. So here is the promise. Today you will get the only push-up routine you need to build a bigger chest, bigger arms, and a rock-solid core, with no gym and no equipment. And it's built in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced, so you can start today and progress week by week. Don't skip this, because in a minute I'll see the one mistake that silently wrecks your shoulders and steals your gains, even if you're strong. Push-ups are one of the few moves that train your whole upper body in one shot: chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your back stabilizers. The simple picture is this: a push-up is a moving plank. Your arms press while your body fights to not fold in half. And this isn't just hype. When researchers compare push-ups and bench press at similar effort levels, they find similar muscle activity patterns and even similar strength gains when the training is matched properly. That's why push-ups aren't just a beginner move, they're real resistance training when you do them right. But there is a catch: you only get all these benefits if your form is tight and your progression is real. That's what fixes everything. Before you start the routine, don't make these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1: the sway back push-up. This is when your hips drop and your lower back arches hard. It turns your push-up into a lower back complaint instead of a chest and triceps builder. The fix is simple: squeeze your glutes, brace your abs, and imagine a belt tightening around your waist. Your body should look like a straight line, not a hammock. Mistake number 2: elbows flaring out. This is where shoulders get cranky. A more controlled elbow position changes how your shoulder stabilizers work, and studies on push-up variations show that elbow angle affects how much stress and activation you get around the shoulder girdle. Keep your elbows around 45 degrees from your body, not glued to your ribs, not straight out like a T. That middle position is strong and stable. Mistake number 3: half reps. Half range equals half stimulus. If your chest never gets close to the floor, your chest never gets the full job. Full range builds full results. Control the descent, get your chest about an inch from the floor, then press back up. Simple, but most people don't do it. Now, let's lock in the perfect form, step by step. Start with your hands under your shoulders or just a bit wider. Spread your fingers and grip the floor like you're trying to twist it apart. That instantly engages your lats and packs your shoulders down. Keep your feet close together if you want a harder core challenge. If you're shaky, widen your stance a little and narrow it again as you get stronger. Squeeze your glutes, brace your abs, and make your body one straight line from head to heels. As you descend, let your chest stay slightly ahead of your hands and keep your neck neutral, eyes on the floor a little in front of you. Lower yourself until your chest is about 1 inch from the floor, with your elbows at roughly 45 degrees. Then press up hard, but stay tight. No wobble, no collapsing at the top. When this form clicks, you'll feel your chest and triceps light up instantly, because now the right muscles are forced to work. Now it's time for the routine. It's built in 3 levels. Pick your level, run it, and progress week by week. Level 1: beginner. You'll do knee push-ups for 10 reps, standard push-ups for 8 reps, and then a plank hold for 20 seconds. Rest 60 seconds and repeat that for 3 rounds. This builds your foundation fast. Clean reps, shoulder control, and a core that stops collapsing under you. Level 2: intermediate. Here you'll do 12 standard push-ups, 10 decline push-ups with your feet on a chair or step, and 8 diamond push-ups with your hands close together. Rest 45 seconds and repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Decline push-ups shift more load toward your upper chest and shoulders. Diamonds punish your triceps in a good way. This is where bigger arms start to actually show up in the mirror. Level 3: advanced. You'll hit 10 explosive push-ups where your hands leave the floor at the top, then 8 archer push-ups on each side, and finally 5 slow negative push-ups, taking 5 full seconds to lower on each rep. Rest 90 seconds and repeat for 4 rounds. This is where you build real athletic strength. Explosive reps train power. Archers build single arm control and stability. Slow negatives build muscle because you own every inch of the rep instead of letting gravity do the work. If you want faster results, follow one rule: progressive overload. Every week, you increase one thing. You either do more reps, use a harder variation, slow down the tempo, or cut a bit of rest. You don't need to change everything at once. Just pick one knob and turn it slightly. This is the same principle researchers see when they compare different overload progression methods in strength training. When you consistently progress load or reps, or both over time, you keep triggering strength and muscle gains. If nothing gets harder, your body has zero reason to change. No progression, no new results. Now, a few bonus tips most people never use. First, squeeze the floor with your hands. That tiny cue turns your push-up into a full upper body exercise, not just a chest press. Second, keep your shoulder blades down and controlled. Don't shrug up into your ears. Third, if you wobble a lot, widen your feet just a little. As you gain control, bring them back in to challenge your core more. And finally, don't rush your reps. Control the way down, drive strong on the way up. Smooth and powerful beats fast and sloppy every time. And here's the mindset piece. Discipline beats motivation. You don't need to feel hyped to drop on the floor and do your sets. You just need to treat your body like something worth taking care of, day after day. Be patient with your progress, but strict with your consistency. Results follow consistency. That's the push-up routine that can build a bigger chest, bigger arms, and a powerful core, with no gym required. If you're in, drop a comment saying, level, and tell which level you're starting at. And make sure you subscribe because train smart, train hard. See you in the next one.